I love it, man.
Jamaica, no problem.
Yeah, he wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. Oh no, it is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. I don't really wanna no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really.
Welcome to Ocho Rios, Jamaica, right here by the ship. Beautiful sunrise coming into Jamaica. All right, everybody, we're sailing into Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Look at this sunrise this morning, but today I'm gonna give you a port tour. What's in port? Let's just get this tour started. Here's welcome to Jamaica. Here's your taxi prices to get around the island. Now, for those of you not familiar with Jamaica, Jamaica is a Caribbean island off the coast of Cuba. It's 90 miles south of Cuba. And there's a couple of ports in Jamaica, and two of your most larger ones are gonna be Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. Our cruise ship was docked in the industrial district of Ocho Rios, and that's where we're gonna start this tour. And just so you know, one of the most famous excursions you can do in Jamaica has got to be Dunn Falls. Let the trek begin. That's my wife in the Aqua, fourth person. Oh my God, that is high. I got a whole tour coming up on that. Make sure you're watching that. It is an amazing tour, one of the best excursions you can do in Jamaica. Don't miss it. Now, this right here, I don't know what it is. I thought they were gonna slide down here. You can use Viator, which is where we book all our tours. Make sure you're checking out our Viator page. But for now, let's just get out of this port and show you Ocho Rios on the way to Margaritaville and the closest beach to Ocho Rios from the cruise port. So here's part of the walking that you can get out to Ocho Rios. They got some stands set up already. I guess you just keep going down this way to get to town. You come out the port and you go out to this way.
I take you on the hills where
no,
you
thanks.
overlook.
And we're just going down here where there's some shopping. There's a Margaritaville. It's a short walk down to apparently where the Margaritaville is. We're gonna just keep walking down and exploring a little bit. So that farthest beach you can see that's way over there, that's Margaritaville. That's where we're headed today. Now, when you see this Ocho Rios sign, that road takes you straight from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. But when you see that sign, that's where you enter this place that we're gonna show you a tour of. I don't know what this is, but it looks like some kind of climbing thing. Now, when you find the Island Chuka sign, go through there. That's where you'll see Margaritaville and all kinds of nicer shops. So again, this was maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 blocks, very close to the cruise ship. Exit the cruise ship and turn left. And there's a lot of shopping in this Margarita Village or Chuba Village, whatever they're gonna call it. Village grab and go, snacks and drinks. Taste the islands, Jamaica. Popsicles. This looks like, oh my God, it is chill pops. Taste the island, Jamaica style. Looks like ice cream popsicles. Rumsicles. You probably can't see this. I saw rumsicles in here. All natural, all good. Look at all pine and ginger, watermelon, rumsicle, rum punch, pina colada. Chocolate Baileys. Check out the lights here. That one says love. That's so cool. Photo desk, that is. But you can see, oh, there's a chocolate store. You want more chocolate? Magic mushroom chocolate. There's a lot of jewelry here. Crown Jamaica premium cigars. This is a neat little place. Sister Liquors, Appleton Rum Experience. Scoops. There's a little place to put your feet in the island village. All right, we keep walking out here through these paths because this place is actually huge. There's a nice little court to sit. Looks like they got some bands that might play up this way in the theater. I don't know if you can see those houses. They're $1 million houses up there overlooking this place. This sign will help you find your way around in here. Oh, down here's a bag shop. What is that? Green Future Solutions. That looks like women care stuff. Oh, look at the Jamaica bags. Some guy on stilts. Cigar and vapes, jewels. I'm still looking for Margaritaville. I hope it's out this way. Again, this is probably the closest thing to shop in the port. Right there's our cruise ship. Old coffee drinkers, they got a Starbucks. That's a cool sign, bless it up. But do you see the Jamaica sign? And you can also pay to get in here. You can get a chair and use the water and the umbrellas. It's probably the closest place to get in the water from the ship, at least where we're docked today. So this says Irie, Island Village. Shop, eat, play, explore, Ocho Rios. This guy's cutting some fresh coconuts here. All right, you got to see this guy. This is the coconut guy at Margaritaville, chopping up ice cold coconuts with rum. Hey, what's that? What is that?
I put the rum in the coconut and mix it all up. You know what I want you to do for me? Stir it up and taste it. Tell me if you need more coconuts. You need more rum.
Or rum. I gotta taste that thing. Is it weak?
No.
Coconuts today, guys.
All right, this guy here is
Jamaica.
making. Look at that thing. And he's putting the rum in the coconut. These coconuts are ice cold. This is what you want on a hot day, right? I love it, man.
Jamaica, no problem.
All right, we finally found it here. We found Margaritaville inside all these little huts. Margaritaville trading post, and they got a restaurant on the other side. All right, we found Margaritaville. And like I said, it's really close to the ship. It's only like a 5-minute walk. But look, they got a swim up bar, and of course, they got a slide. See how close that ship is? I could throw a stone that far. And there's their beach. And here's the tip. Now they do got chairs here, and I think you might have to rent them. I don't know. But if you just want to throw your stuff down in the sand, your beach chairs, you can come here for free. But we're having lunch. I gotta walk out here and check out this beach. It's not big, but it will serve the purpose today. And I guarantee all these people, they're just here for the day, enjoying it. And here's looking back through Margaritaville. So you can see what you get. You can rent these chairs and an umbrella if you like. Oh, and there's another place out here. I don't know, they might just be open for dinner because I don't see anybody there. But they have a beach access bar right there.
Now I'm dancing to your vibe. I'm holding it forever. Ooh, like a treasure from the tree.
I better get back to my lunch. Up there's my wife. She's chilling at Margaritaville. Did you get your painkiller?
Not yet.
And even if you just want to come here for the restaurant, you get a view like this. We met these people in the Dunn River Falls. How y'all doing? How's lunch?
Great.
Thanks. Enjoy your day.
Yes.
There's that water slide. I think all this stuff is free. I don't think you pay for anything. She got the painkiller. We got these in Amber Cove. They're amazing. It's got like ground nutmeg on top. Is it good?
It's amazing.
Amazing?
Yes.
Now that's a Jimmy Buffett burger. My wife got the blue cheese bacon. I wanted this guy to do a flip down here. He was kind enough to go up and do it. There we go. That's a 10. Oh, they got a Margaritaville store in here. Shirts, only in Jamaica, seaside souvenirs. There's enough souvenirs here, place. Oh, look over there, rolled ice cream. I just love the colors here. It's all about Bob Marley in Jamaica. There's the Boardwalk Bistro. There's another coconut drink place.
Same guy.
This guy? Yep. He just moved. There's the Tavern Lounge. Here's a fountain you can get your feet wet in. Look at this palm here. That's just beautiful. I think this is cool. I'm assuming this is Jamaican language. Wagwan? Not sure what that one means. There's some of the things they got. Adventure course, sweet treats, of course, cannabis, cigars, specialty restaurants, movies, and live entertainment at the Island Village. I think I know what that means. Enough respect? I'm probably saying it wrong. Oh, look at this lady here. She's making stuff right here at port. Looks like she's weaving something. Look at those nice little Jamaican hats. There's a distance shot you can see. This is where you would come out from the cruise ship port, this little security gate. They'll be checking your badges to get back in now. And in case you're wondering, there's very few stores right when you get off of the ship. You got to walk a little bit, but it ain't far. You see what I mean? That's how close you are to the ship. At least this port dock. There's a few vendors outside, straw market stuff.
Remember to stop on by the red tent. Punch. It's a special of the day. Stop on by and ask about your Jamaican parties. If you had your red stripe.
And that's it from Jamaica, man. I hope you like this tour we did of just what's close to the port. Make sure you're supporting these local people. They need our support to keep building the ports around this town. I hope you like this tour of Jamaica. I hope you can see our cruise ship. It's right back here. Thank you, Jamaica, for your hospitality. We'll be back soon. I can't wait.
It's so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really